Are you looking for a fun, engaging way to boost your health, improve your fitness, and enjoy yourself all at once? Playing tennis might just be the perfect solution you've been searching for. Tennis is not only an exhilarating sport that can keep you on your toes, but it is also one of the most effective forms of physical activity to promote overall wellness and longevity. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone who has played casually in the past, understanding the comprehensive health benefits of tennis, how long you should play each session, and how often you should engage in this dynamic sport can transform the way you approach your fitness routine and well-being. Tennis is a fast-paced, full-body workout that engages multiple muscle groups and energy systems simultaneously. When you hit the court, you're not just playing a game. You're giving your cardiovascular system a robust workout. The constant movement, including quick sprints, side-to-side shuffles, lunges, and jumps, significantly elevates your heart rate, which strengthens your heart muscle and improves lung capacity. This enhanced cardiovascular fitness helps reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic conditions while boosting your overall endurance, allowing you to sustain higher levels of activity throughout your day. Additionally, tennis is excellent for muscle development and toning. The repeated swinging of the racket works your upper body muscles, especially your arms, shoulders, and back, while running and changing directions targets your legs and core. These combined movements contribute to a balanced muscular development, improving strength, flexibility, and power. Unlike some gym workouts that isolate muscles, tennis challenges your body in a functional way, integrating multiple muscle groups to work together, which better prepares you for real-life activities and reduces the risk of injury. One of the underrated benefits of playing tennis is how it supports weight management. The sport burns a significant number of calories depending on your intensity and body weight, helping you shed excess fat or maintain a healthy weight. A single hour of tennis can burn anywhere from 400 to 600 calories, making it an effective tool for those who want to improve their body composition without spending hours on cardio machines or restrictive diets. Moreover, the enjoyable nature of the game means you're more likely to stick with it compared to other forms of exercise that might feel monotonous. Beyond the physical benefits, tennis also sharpens mental acuity and coordination. The sport demands acute focus, quick decision-making, and excellent hand-eye coordination. Every shot requires you to anticipate your opponent's moves, calculate angles, and time your swings perfectly. This constant mental engagement stimulates your brain, improving concentration, reaction time, and cognitive flexibility. Regularly playing tennis has even been linked to delayed cognitive decline in older adults, highlighting its potential to maintain brain health over time. Mental health benefits are also significant. Engaging in tennis helps reduce stress by releasing endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators, which can combat anxiety and depression. The social aspect of tennis, whether you play doubles or join a local club, provides opportunities for connection and community, combating loneliness and fostering motivation to stay active. The competitive but friendly nature of tennis also boosts self-esteem and provides a sense of accomplishment, contributing positively to your emotional well-being. Bone health is another important advantage of tennis. As a weight-bearing sport, the repetitive impact of running and striking the ball stimulates bone growth and increases bone density. This is particularly important for preventing osteoporosis and reducing fracture risk as you age. Unlike low-impact activities such as swimming or cycling, tennis forces your skeletal system to adapt and grow stronger under load. Given all these benefits, you might wonder how long and how often you need to play tennis to experience meaningful improvements in your health. Research and fitness guidelines suggest that engaging in tennis sessions lasting anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes is ideal. This duration provides enough time to warm up, engage in sustained physical activity, and cool down properly, ensuring maximum benefits without overstraining your body. For beginners, starting at 30 minutes per session is a practical approach, gradually increasing duration as your fitness and skill level improve. In terms of frequency, aiming to play tennis 3 to 5 times per week is a solid target. This amount allows your body to adapt and improve, while providing adequate recovery time to prevent overuse injuries. Playing tennis less frequently, such as once or twice a week, still offers health advantages but may not deliver the same rapid improvements in cardiovascular fitness, muscle strength, or skill development. On the other hand, playing more than 5 times a week may increase the risk of injury unless you carefully manage intensity and include sufficient rest days. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. If you are new to tennis, it's important to balance your enthusiasm with sensible progression. Warming up before each session with dynamic stretches and light cardio helps prepare your muscles and joints for the physical demands of the sport, reducing injury risk. Post-match stretching and cool-down routines are equally important for flexibility and muscle recovery. Listening to your body, staying hydrated, and fueling properly are critical components to sustain your tennis routine long-term. Moreover, tennis offers a flexible way to fit exercise into your busy lifestyle. Matches can be short and intense or longer and more strategic, adapting to your schedule and fitness goals. Whether you have a 30-minute window for a quick practice or a full hour for a friendly match, tennis can be tailored to meet your needs. The game's social aspect also means you can combine fitness with fun, making workouts feel less like a chore and more like an enjoyable pastime. In conclusion, tennis is an exceptional sport for improving and maintaining overall health. From boosting cardiovascular endurance and muscular strength to sharpening mental focus and supporting emotional well-being, it offers one of the most well-rounded approaches to fitness you can find. Whether you are rallying casually with a friend or playing a competitive match, every moment on the court challenges your body in a dynamic way, strengthening your heart, improving coordination, and keeping your reflexes sharp. The beauty of tennis is that it's adaptable to all ages and skill levels, making it a sport you can enjoy for life. Playing tennis regularly for 30 to 60 minutes, 3 to 5 times per week, can lead to measurable improvements in your health, helping you feel stronger, more energetic, and more confident. It's also a fantastic way to meet new people, enjoy fresh air, and create lasting memories with friends or fellow players. If you've been looking for an exciting way to stay fit, connect socially, and challenge both your body and mind, picking up a tennis racket might just be one of the best decisions you ever make. And if you enjoyed learning about the health benefits of tennis, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tips, training advice, and motivational content. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me who your favorite tennis player is and why. Whether it's Federer's elegance, Serena's power, Djokovic's precision, or Nadal's relentless energy, everyone has a player who inspires them. Your answer might even inspire someone else to get out on the court and start playing. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.